Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're at Cardiff Central again. Yes, I know. But yeah, I've got about 15 minutes here this time, so hopefully we'll catch a few more trains than I did last time. But it is quite a nice station, to be fair, and to top it off, today's a much nicer day than last time. But as you can see, we've got a class 756 coming in now. Seven 556 108. Sun's right out there, as you can see. But yeah, we'll see what shall turn up, and hope you enjoy the video. Coming in now is a GWR class 800. To Taunton. Coming in now is a class 197. To Swansea. Right down the platform. And coming in now is the class 756. Down she goes. Coming in now is a class 800 GWR service. And I got the wrong platform again. To Swansea. 800 007. Off she goes to Swansea. Coming in now is a Premier set to Swansea. And just do a quick U-turn. Coming in now is the Class 158. A couple of Class 158s, GBR service. And doesn't look like it's stopping. As the Class 756 also leaves for Cardiff. Leaving now is a Premier set to Manchester Piccadilly, not Swansea, Manchester Piccadilly. God, I love these Premier sets. They're so smooth and they look so good as well. Probably the best TFW train they have. Great big engine as well. As we've also got a Class 800 and a 756 coming in at once as well. As there's also a 756 leaving for Herbert as well. Off she goes. Leaving now is another Class 800 to London Paddington. As there's also down here a couple of Class 150s coming in as well. Very busy train. Smells as well. Even now is Class 150. Oh, we've got a freight train. And also the Class 150s to Ebbw Town are leaving as well. Class 66, 660. Completely empty. Coming in now is a pair of Class 387s from London Paddington.
Train on platform 3 is also out of service and not in passage.
First class accommodation can be found in zones 4 to 7, standard class in zones 1, 2, 3, 8 to 10, cycling spaces in zones 2 to 9, wheelchair facilities.
Nice to see a Class 387 for once. And coming in now is a Class 800 GWR series to London Paddington. Lots of people on the platform, as you can see. And with that, I shall leave the video there. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.